How to delete one word suggestion, and this is for the Gboard keyboard. Let's get started. To simply just remove one word suggestion, you'll go ahead and tap anywhere that will pop up your Gboard keyboard like this here. And once you start typing, or go ahead and type in the word that you want to remove from the suggestion toolbar section here. So let's just say, for example, I want to remove the word there, okay? And I see this here. And this is the one I want to remove, all right? Just as an example. When you see it appear here, you're going to long press it like this. And then this is going to show up, remove suggestion, and you'll simply just place it up here and it's going to remove it once you release it. Now, in order to get back that word, as you continue to start typing it again and again and again, and every time it shows here, you'll tap on it to let the Gboard keyboard know that this word is a word that you'll be using often, and then eventually it'll save it as a suggestion from here on. And you can do this for every other word that you want to, like and sub.